Emirhan's got me onto the boiled eggs now. Now that's pretty much all I feel like eating these days. Here we are again. I think this is the first video of this day. Hey bro, just chilling. Ava and I just decided to go for a walk because we've been inside the whole day. And I think it's just so windy that no one's in the pool. We'll go check it out. Ava, let's go see the pool. No one's in the pool, no one's at the park. Everyone's just inside being bored. And the pool's closed. Isn't that crazy? Because of wind. This slide is actually like steep as shit. Check this out. You're actually crazy for this. Whoa! Fuck. Was that fast? Is that too fast?
Yeah.
Was it fun, but?
Yeah.
That was crazy slide. Whoa. My God, she's going sideways. I think the wind's fucking influencing it. You got there? You got marshmallows and a gun. What a killer combo. Literally. What the? It's a real gun, apparently. 911, get on the ground. Go shoot the tree. He's gonna go shoot the tree because she doesn't understand what he was saying. Oop, run into a bum. You making pizza? What are you making?
Spaghetti.
Yummy spaghetti. I think Ava's just in a funny mood today because she's been attacking all of us for the past half an hour. She got your finger. Ava, no biting. Ava! No, she's a frog. Oh, I got the power bomb. Take her. Get it for the choke slam. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. And the Undertaker wins. Wait.
Dad.
Hello. Hello. Look at me. What's it called? Go, Ava. Yummy?
Is it spicy?
Do you want your plate closer to you? Is that better? They're all playing okay. Fucking look how popular this game is. Fucking hell. The world's grossest fucking jumping castle. I would have known that this was right around the corner. You want carpet? You want carpet? You want bed sheet? Bed sheet? Bed sheet? Only 200. I get 2 for 200 for you. Oh, fuck yeah. Fucking, what is this? 50-cent pajamas, man. Fucking get me some new Crocs with the Croc charms. The fucking teddy bear cunt. They actually do look good. They look so good. That's really funny. Populator. He's so popular, he has his own animated series.
They think of him like God.
He's like Tintin. This is literally Tintin, but Turkish Tintin. Junk for days. Fucking going on. Fucking hell. mate. What are you doing?
John, you need to have children one day.
There we go. Oh, you don't want to hit the ground. Eberhard looks like he's having a great time. Oh.